In this video, I will show you how you can improve the battery life on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to start, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection Settings, just scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings, and from here, just disable the toggle for nearby device scanning. After you do that, then just tap on Printing and disable the toggle for default print services. As you can see, it is already disabled. Now after you do that, then just go back to the connection settings, and from here just scroll down a bit and tap on mobile networks. Now on this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on network mode. Now if you're in an area where the 5G signal is weak, just select LTE. Now if you have two SIM cards, you can do that for each SIM card separately. Now after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just tap on display. On this page, just select dark mode. Now after you enable dark mode, then just enable the toggle for adaptive brightness. Now once adaptive brightness is enabled, then just scroll down and tap on screen timeout. Now if the screen timeout is on 10 minutes or 5 minutes, then just lower it down to 30 seconds or 15 seconds. You can even select 1 minute. I'll select 30 seconds. Now after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down even more and tap on lock screen and AOD. Then tap on always on display. Now preferably just disable the toggle for always on display. But if you want to use always on display, then just keep it enabled, but just disable the toggle for show lock screen wallpaper. And also tap on when to show. Now instead of auto or always, just select tap to show. After that, just go back to the main settings page one more time. Now from here, just tap on location. Now if the location services are enabled, just turn it off. After that, just tap on location services. And on this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and disable the toggle for Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. As you can see, both of them are already disabled, but if they are enabled, just turn them off. After that, just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on device care. From here just scroll down a bit and tap on performance profile. Now if it is on standard, just select light. Now you will not feel the performance drop after you select light, but if you do not need to use the full power of your Samsung phone, like if you're not gaming and just using social media, then just select light and it will lower down the performance of your Samsung phone to improve the battery life. After that, just go back, and from here just tap on battery. On this page, just scroll down and tap on battery usage limits. Now just make sure you enable the toggle for put unused apps to sleep. After you enable this toggle, then finally just go to your home screen, and if you have applied any animated wallpaper on the home screen or on the lock screen of your Samsung phone, just replace it with a static wallpaper, because these animated wallpapers will consume the battery of your Samsung phone. So just set a static wallpaper, like the wallpaper I have over here, or you can select any photo from the gallery of your Samsung phone, and you can set it as the wallpaper of your Samsung phone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.